Morning guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is our Bitcoin morning update. So we will go over to those charts. Obviously it's the weekend. Obviously CMEs are closed, stock markets are closed. So Bitcoin's got to make its own way. I don't know how good a thing I think that is. But you never know. We can get a pump up. May try and manipulate the price up. May try and manipulate the price down. Obviously, lower volumes is the better time to do it if you want to get up to any of those shenanigans. But yeah, we are literally smack bang middle of this range with very low vol at the moment. I mean, you could probably draw a pennant really. We'll draw it anyway. See if we break out. See if we break out in either direction from this very extremely tight formation that we're in here, as you can see on the 4 hour. So what I would say was, realistically though, if we break out of this either up, I'd expect us to get rejected here. If we break down, I'd expect us to get supported here, with it being the weekend. But you never know, they could take this opportunity to smash us through this level, below this level, and I think that will trigger a lot of stops, get us down to 8,600. So obviously the opposite side of this is that we could break to the upside, get up to here, and we could break through here. If we can get back and hold above 9,200, then I do think that we will have a test up to around this 9,400, 9,500 level, even if it's just a liquidity hunt to the upside, or whatever it turns out to be. I think even if we get up there and break up there, either way, I think we will probably get up to there if we do get over and hold 9,200. But there's a lot of strong resistance up there. So yeah, so it's difficult to get above that. But if we do, we will be looking really bullish. We'll be not really. I mean, we'll be looking. The odds will be back to the upside. Put it that way. Overall, but do I think that's most likely? Not necessarily. I think either we'll come down, either we'll come here and come down, get rejected and come down, or we'll manage to get up here and get rejected and come down. I think it is at the moment all about looking for shorts, whilst our weekly Stokes is coming down. So that's what I'd say about that. We'll look at the daily and 2-day. Daily looks like it's turning back down, 2-day down, and 4 hour looks like it's turning back down as well. So let's look at some of the really short time frames. 3 hour turning back down, 2 hour, I mean technically up at the moment, but you can see this is nothingness. This is testament to the absolute low vol we've got at the moment, and 1 hour pointing down. So we don't often get quite that amount of confluence, in all fairness. 12 hour start turning come down, which is the main one, and yeah, looking like it's getting rejected basically about that trend line that we did draw and then delete. So yeah, we don't often get a lot of confluence, and this could, I mean, obviously we know what Bitcoin's like. This will either basically just collapses, or we will potentially get some sort of scam bullish wick once people start potentially selling. So I'd imagine if we're going to get the scam wick upside, we'll get a push down first, get some people in shorts, and then trap them in shorts as we squeeze up. But yeah, potential scenario. But yeah, we may literally just fall out of this formation. But this is the main level, this 8,600, and if we can hold this level, then things won't be so bad. It's losing this level which is the difficult thing for us, for Bitcoin bulls, Bitcoin bullish price action. Losing this level is where we're going to end up with difficulty. But yeah, so at the moment we're in this box, looking a lot like distribution, but it doesn't have to be. We'll have to see how it plays out. But yeah, that's it for this morning's quick video. So thanks for listening guys, and I will speak to you guys later.